three, four. 1, 2, 3. 너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어. 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고.
Hey guys, so this is not a regular weekend vlog because I have school on a Sunday. My school, we have Thanksgiving break, but since it's an international school, obviously, we have to make up the days that we have for break. So on Sunday we have our classes on a Thursday schedule. So this is gonna be a really weird weekend vlog, but hopefully it's still gonna be fun. So yeah, enjoy. So I just finished the library tour and I'm going back to the dorms, but it's such a nice library, oh my gosh. I got no videos of what I ate, but I have a bunch of pictures, so I'll put that up. I'll put them up here. Yeah, but I think this bag is so cute. I can't wait to bring all the cute bags that I got from here back home, because I know my parents could like use this, like, and I don't want to have to like throw them out because they're too cute. But right now, I just have an assignment that's due tonight, so I have to do that. I'm gonna do it right now. The temperature like changed so drastically within like the past like week or few days, so I'm like kind of sick, as you can tell. So if I like sniffle a lot, that's why.
I don't wanna be if you don't dare. If you can't see me, I say way to go. Made a way to go. Yeah, when I have to get out of
I'm actually so wiped from yesterday, but I ate. I didn't film that because I was like I woke up, I was like, I'm hungry, so I ate. And I was like, oh, I forgot I have to vlog, so yeah. Today I'm just gonna be doing a lot of work probably, but maybe I'll go out, who knows. Right now I'm just doing Chinese, so yeah, and then I'm gonna study for my math midterm that got pushed back a week, which is kind of good, but at the same time now I have to do it, so.
What the dog doing?
I just made ramen. This is what it looks like. I demolished that. I got it hot because it's so cold. Literally down there I was freezing. I don't know why they gave me 2 straws. But there's only one drink, so I don't know why, but this is it.
The moment you start scrolling on your phone, they walk in and they start being all disappointed. Absolutely.
I'm literally struggling with my homework. It takes so long for me to do it. Mostly because I get distracted, but at the same time, it's just like I can't function. Good morning. I'm getting ready and I'm watching Try Guys video. You know, school on a Sunday is not ideal, but at least it's only one class. And then after, I'm going to get dinner, an early dinner, because I also have practice today. A lot's going on today, and it's supposed to be the weekend. After I do my skincare and stuff, I'm doing my makeup, but my makeup's all over the place right now. The bus leaves, there's a 12:45 bus and a 1:30 bus, and my class is at 1:45. But usually I take the 1:30 bus because I make it on time. So I'll probably take that because I'm debating like whether I should talk about like how school's going or not. But I guess I'll just talk, yeah, while I'm doing this. School's been pretty good actually. Of course it's stressful, but I think that if the environment you're in, like if your school environment is really good, then it's gonna be a lot more bearable than if you just hated your school. And I have like friends who could attest to that. I can't say it's the same experience for everyone, but I actually really like it here. I think it's a really fun experience to have living in a different country, especially China. Like before getting in here, I've never been to China, and I know that's not really the best thing to do when you're like going to school here for like 4 years, but I think it's one of the best decisions I've made right now so far in my life. That opinion can change very quickly, so I'm not gonna like say that. I'm not gonna jinx myself. Yeah. I don't know. I think that if once you like find a school that you really like, I mean you won't know until you get there if you actually like it, but for me, I think I just instantly knew. I think watching YouTube videos really helps of like students' daily lives, because without that, you're really just going off of what your school's telling you, what you're looking on online, and yeah, you need to get like a personal experience to really understand if you'll fit in the school. There's not really that many YouTube videos on NYU Shanghai, so I'm hoping to like maybe give help to people who maybe want to go there but just don't know what life is like here. I will give that I guess perspective. So overall, I feel like the atmosphere right now is pretty good. I'll probably update you in like a few months and tell you if that opinion has changed, but yeah. I don't know, if you guys want like more of a talk like this about my life, even though it's not really interesting, I'll go ahead and do it. Maybe once I get more followers, I'll talk more about the school so people can actually hear about it and stuff like that. But honestly, I'm just doing YouTube for fun, because I want to like look back on my life and be like, and look at the like memories I had. Like it's really fun to just vlog and talk and like, I don't know, I just find it comforting to do, and that's why I'm doing it, for those of you wondering. I forgot to say, to be completely honest, I'm not really that homesick. The only time I'm really homesick is when I miss my dog or when I want my clothes back home. I'm like, I want to go home so I can get my clothes. But besides that, like, I'm not, like, I know a lot of people, especially in another country, like, they're homesick. And so the people in the US obviously can't go at home as often as like some other people who like live closer can. Me personally, not that homesick. Probably won't be homesick for a while. But yeah, I'm going back for winter break. I'm going home for winter break, so that's fun. I want to explore more of China than just Shanghai. There's so much that I still need to like see and explore, so I'm really excited for that. And yeah, the look is done. I'm gonna put my clothes on now. It's like freezing outside apparently, so I hope I don't freeze to death. I hope I don't freeze, but yeah. Okay, so I was originally gonna do this top. Actually, let's show down here a little bit. But I was originally gonna do this top, like this. But I'm really liking this. Like this is a vibe. This is an outfit. I like this. So I'm probably gonna wear this. I'm probably gonna wear my Concords. Yeah, that sounds like a plan. Okay. Yeah. And I'm gonna be wearing these funky socks because, again, it's cold. It's actually not that cold, but like, it's actually cold. It's not like below freezing, but to me, this weather is cold. Okay, so this is my outfit of the day. My shoes I got as a birthday present from my uncle. The shirt I got as a Christmas or like a present from my uncle, and then I also get this present from my uncle. So many cute things that my uncle gives me. So I'm so grateful for him. And then this jacket is my grandpa's. These pants are from H&M. The shirt underneath is from Ross. And then yeah, I think that's my OT. Oh, and my earrings, I guess, are from Taobao. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Yeah.
Okay, I'm vlogging now and they wanted to be in my vlog.
Hi!
We're going to eat. Yeah, we're going to eat.
We're going to Xintiandi.
Dude, what restaurant? You didn't even
spend it
It's actually really pretty around here.
Stop, this is so freaking cute.
We got ice cream.
ice cream ever.
Guess the price.
Guess the price.
Michelin star ice cream.
Yes.
Thanks for
Beach chili. I wanted one like every.
Oh my, it's crazy. Where did Victoria go?
That's so cool. Let me tell you. Oh yeah. Like it's giving me time to think now. Like.
They have all the expensive brands. But yeah. So hopefully you guys can hear me better when I talk. So
도트들은 노키스야 아침이면 아자시